What's going on, guys? It's GBP baby. Welcome back to another video. I hope everybody's doing well, and we're going to dive straight into things. So we're going to start on the daily, and you can see we've had another very large expansive day, way more large than I expected. You can see that this week's just been absolutely insane in terms of the movement to the upside, but it's nice to see because if you've watched my videos over the past few weeks, last week, the week before that, especially the week before that, I was saying we're anticipating dollar to move up, and I feel like we're finally seeing the results of that. I do need to take another look at the commitment of traders and the open interest, but I've been anticipating this, and I think we're going to be in an uptrend for quite a while, as in I'm starting to look at this high to get targeted. I'm starting to look at this high now, but we can talk more on that maybe in Sunday's video, because I need to do another more higher time frame analysis. I haven't done that in a while, but you can see we're starting to work our way towards this bearish order block. I'm going to mark out the open of it, and you can see we've just about tapped into the low of it, which is quite interesting. But again, I'm not going to anticipate any kind of pullback at this point. Price is just going to keep rallying, I think, so there's no point to expect any different. Slightly came off the back of the open of it, which is fair enough because there's a breaker here, high, low, higher, high, so we might find some resistance, but I'm not really expecting too much. Honestly, today's video, guys, again, I do expect us to rally even more. I wouldn't be surprised if Friday traded even higher again, ran out this high, and then we just consolidated. I wouldn't be surprised if we consolidated for the rest of the day. But generally speaking, very interesting price action this week, as in the amount of bullishness we've had. It's been great. It's great to see, as in this is the kind of movement when we have weeks like these. How rare is it that we have weeks like these? Very rare, because you can feel it. You can always feel it, right? It's a signal. When you can feel a week like this, it's a signal, as in we can move into the next few weeks pretty confident that we're probably going to keep rallying to some extent, or that we can be bullish, so that's something to take into account. But nonetheless, yeah, I'm expecting us to roll on again, maybe take out Thursday's high and then just consolidate. So I'm not expecting too much. I don't want to get into too much detail, but an interesting week nonetheless. Let's finish up on let's go on to GBP USD. Beautiful displacement to the downside, very interesting as well. Again, we're just in a consolidation, but I wouldn't be surprised if we just rolled over and carried on lower as it continues to hunt for more sell stops from the sell side, such as all the way down all of these lows right here. And we have a slight gap right here. I don't know if you can see it. Well, you can see it, but there's a slight gap right here. And I am going to make this video short just because I'm shattered, guys. Quite busy, but down here, see pricing it again. I'm not expecting us to roll down there tomorrow, guys. Especially, price is going to be tired after all of this, so we have to take that into account. Let price be tired. It's going to get tired out, but it's obviously in a rush to get somewhere, so interesting. And finally, let's finish up on euro again. I'm just going to expect to see if we can run out this low on the back of it. So yeah, pretty interesting day, very bearish. We should remain bearish until proven otherwise. We've got this massive gap right here, which I do like the look of though. So let's get that on the daily. And it'll be interesting to see if price can, excuse me, trade down deeper into that range, start feeling that fair value gap. But yeah, if we look at this classic price action here, you can see price is running quite quickly to the downside, clear displacement to the downside as well, which is why I think moving to the next few weeks we should be able to get in on some nice moves. There's certain levels which I want to see get traded to that I think we'll be able to get on some more longer term views, such as this low, but we'll talk more on that next week. But that's going to be everything, guys. Don't forget to drop a like, drop a comment, smash subscribe, join the mailing list, join the Discord. All the links are in the description, and yeah, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace.